Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solve peg solitaire. This classic puzzle challenges you to remove pegs from a board until only one remains. You start with a board full of pegs, typically 32, with one empty hole, usually in the center. To make a move, you jump one peg over an adjacent peg into an empty space. The peg that was jumped over is then removed. Your ultimate goal is to strategically eliminate all but one peg, leaving it in a specific final position, often the starting empty hole. A fundamental strategy involves working from the outside in. Try to clear pegs from the edges and corners, moving towards the center of the board. Look for opportunities to make multiple jumps in a sequence, as this efficiently removes several pegs. Maintaining some form of symmetry can also be helpful, as it often opens up more options for future moves. Remember, every move you make should ideally set up subsequent jumps, preventing isolated pegs that cannot be moved. One powerful technique is the 3-4-1 rule. This involves a sequence of moves where 3 pegs are removed, but only one peg is used to make the jumps, effectively clearing a small area. For example, a common pattern involves 3 pegs in a line with an empty space at one end. You can jump the middle peg, then the end peg, and finally the first peg, removing 3 pegs. Mastering these specific sequences is key to efficiently clearing the board and progressing towards the solution. To truly master peg solitaire, consistent practice is essential. Begin with smaller, less complex versions of the board to grasp the basic mechanics and strategies. Don't be discouraged by failures. Instead, analyze your moves to understand where you went wrong and what alternative paths you could have taken. Over time, you'll develop an intuitive sense for effective moves and recognize patterns more quickly. With dedication, you can consistently solve even the most challenging peg solitaire puzzles, leaving just one peg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.